A number of decades ago, in order to write a Word document, you would need a machine called a typewriter and many sheets of paper, pressing each letter that is on the typewriter's keyboard, then a stick that has a letter embedded on the end as the letter you press on the keyboard hitting the ink strip that separates the end of the stick with the paper that is loaded on the typewriter. After the end of the stick hits the ink strip, the letter that you press on the keyboard will appear on the piece of paper. As a result of that, you have typed a letter on the Word document. But however, you have to think before you can type, because type one wrong letter, then you have to start all over again, in which it's a waste of good paper. However more to the modern day era, that computers have replaced most typewriters. But if you're using a computer has mechanical keyboards as a main keyboard, eventually even know that a mechanical keyboard and a typewriter's keyboard are two different things, but to me they are similar in a way of both having mechanical feels to it. Eventually know that mechanical keyboards have been around since computers at the same time, but for me, they are like modern day typewriters. You have come to the end of this recording. If you have listened to this whole entire recording right up to this moment, I wish to say thank you for listening. But if you simply want to hear more from this YouTube channel, or for any other platform that you're hearing this recording, then subscribe, and if possible, then click on or hit notifications so that you can be up to date on when new content has been published. For now, bye-bye, but I will be back for more. The following recording has been announced, written, and edited by Patrick Gunning, aka PFGON0, and copyrighted in 2025 by Patrick Gunning, aka PFGON0.